Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change lot size on TradingView. This is a quick but important skill if you use TradingView's position tools to plan trades and understand risk. The lot size you set inside the tool controls how the position calculator estimates profit, loss, and risk to reward. It's important to note that this doesn't place a real order with your broker, and it won't change anything in your live account. Think of it as your on-chart calculator for shares, contracts, or lots depending on the market you're analyzing. This allows you to plan trades efficiently without any impact on your actual live positions. Start by placing either the long position tool or the short position tool on your chart. Choose long if you're planning a buy scenario or short if you're planning a sell scenario. Simply click on the chart to drop it near your intended entry. Don't worry about being perfect on the first click. You can always drag the entry, stop loss, and take profit handles to line them up exactly where you want them. TradingView gives you the flexibility to adjust your entry and exit points at any time. As you position it, you'll see colored zones that represent potential risk and potential reward, making it easy to visualize the trade idea. These visual zones help you quickly assess whether the trade fits within your risk tolerance and reward expectations. Next, double-click the position tool you just placed. This opens the configuration window for that specific position. If you're already comfortable with the tool, you'll recognize this panel. It's where all the important calculator settings live. Double-clicking is the fastest way to bring it up, and it ensures you're editing the exact object you selected on the chart. This way, you avoid any mistakes by making sure you're only modifying the position you intend to. Inside that configuration window, look for the field that controls size, often labeled quantity, size, or contracts, depending on the symbol you're charting. This is where you change the lot size. Now, enter the amount that matches how you plan to size the trade. For stocks, that might be the number of shares. For futures, it could be contracts. For Forex, it's often lots or units. This is where the real power of TradingView's position tool comes into play, as it lets you plan your trades with the exact amount of risk you're willing to take. For example, if you're trading Forex, adjusting the lot size helps you calculate how much you stand to gain or lose based on the position size. As soon as you update this value, check the metrics on the chart and in the panel. Your risk potential, profit, and risk to reward ratio will update instantly to reflect the new size. This allows you to confirm that the numbers make sense for your plan and risk tolerance before executing the trade in the real market. And there you go. With the tool placed, the configuration window opened, and the size updated, your lot size is set for that position. That's all. Use this workflow each time you sketch a new idea so your risk calculations stay accurate and your planning remains consistent. This method ensures that you're always trading with a clear understanding of how much you're risking and what your potential reward is, which is key to making informed, strategic decisions. Happy trading!